happy birthday!
My birthday!
Thank you for the happy year.
Hello Babe Haril! Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kitang batiin sa napakahalagang araw na ito. Babe, happy birthday! Ayan, continue mo lang yung kabaitan mo, yung pagka-humble mo na tao. Pati na rin sa pagiging good leader sa Team Handusay. Ayan, happy birthday ulit and God bless and enjoy your day. I love!
Hi Queen! Happy birthday po. Thank you so much po sa pagtanggap sa inyong team. At sana po ay marami kang pang taong matulungan. And nandito lang kami, hindi ka namin iiwan. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Queen. Enjoy your day and stay simple and humble. Love you.
So, ayan, guys. Press 1 for the sponsor and press 2 for the commercial. Charot. Hi, Queen! Happy birthday to you! Yes! I wish you all the best in life, syempre. Success, happiness, abundant blessings, and of course, love life. Queen, we are hoping na makita mo na ang iyong Totga, the one that got away. O, diba? Nabubulol ako. Sino kayo dyan? Thank you, Queen, for being such a good person, such a good leader, such a good founder to us. Yes, you inspire many people. You inspire us in so many ways. So, thank you, and I know you deserve so much love. And here in our team, we are not perfect. We are not a perfect team. We're not a perfect member. We have flaws. We have up and downs. But still, at the end of the day, you always put a smile on our face. O, diba? Parang kanta lang yon. Thank you, Queen, for everything. And you are one of the outstanding person that I have met here in Kumo, and a huge credit to you, Queen. Thank you, and we love you. Happy birthday again, and I hope you like our surprises. Love. Bye bye. Happy birthday, Queen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, and the sun burns tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
ha, guys? Okay, background natin yan sa pulsahan. Alam nyo na. Happy birthday, Queen! Love you!
Happy birthday, and the sun comes tonight.
Tama na. Pagod na ako.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Bye-bye! Alright. Press 1 for the sponsor and press 2 for the commercial. Charot. Queen, happy birthday. Today is your day and I wish you all the best, success, happiness, abundant blessings, and of course, love life. I hope na makita mo na ang iyong totga. Yes, the one that got away. So, ayun, guys, at Queen, I'm so very happy that that today is your debut. Yes. Thank you, Queen, for being such a good leader to us, for being a good founder. Yeah, you inspire us, Queen, in so many ways. Thank you for everything. We love you, and I know we are not a perfect team. We are not a perfect member. But still, you have the courage at the end of the day to face it. You sing and dance with us. You entertain us. You put a smile on our face. So, I am very happy. And laban lang tayo, whatever it is. Stay humble lang tayo, and ayun, marami kang napapasaya dito sa Kumu, and I know hindi lang sa Kumu, and outside, ay, very wrong.